Here we have a Carrier heat pump, a Heil heat pump, and a very old Heil unit, which I assume is a heat pump. The Carrier's serial number is 3010E10713. Model number is 25HBC336A300. So this is a 20. Hang on, it's at least 2010. Yeah, 2010 Carrier. The Heil's serial number is quite faded, but it's E0702196677. So that means this is a 2002 Heil. And this Heil, I'm gonna see if I can even find oh, here's the model number and serial number. The model number is 8678, and this Heil goes starting up. That's how the heat pump goes starting up. But as I was saying, the model number is NCHBA 35AK02867 dot period dot 820841. Model number is H6162648. It's quite. This made in 1986. This is a 1986 Heil right here. And this one's off, and so is the old 1986 Heil. But yeah, a 2010 Carrier, a 2002 Heil, and a 1986 Heil, and I presume that all of them are heat pumps. Over and out.